everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner. Outstanding car, guys. This thing just runs and drives excellent. Super cool that it's got the factory air grabber hood, factory N96 car, so it's got really my favorite Mopar option, that air grabber hood. Factory EV2, Hemi orange car, black vinyl interior. Great car. Good, solid North Carolina body. I believe it's got all the original body panels. This car was painted 30 years ago. There's some spots that I'm going to point out to you here in the video that you can nitpick, that if you wanted, you could definitely, or I could even have touched up if you're patient with me. Paintwork's a little tougher in our area getting done, but I didn't touch it because I really wanted people to see this car for what it is. Again, factory Hemi orange, 383 automatic, 727 torqueflite, 8 3/4 323 sure grip car, true RM Roadrunner, and just a good car. I haven't driven it a ton. I probably put 7-8 miles on it, but really just a good Mopar, guys. Hits the road nice, and like I say, good solid body. You can see the chrome and stuff is nice. Again, stuff like this, you can see a little light spot here in the paint. I'll show you, there's a couple little, there's touch-up marks, there's things that you can nitpick on it. I love the car, that's why I bought the car. Like I say, there's some things that you could definitely talk me into doing, but I like the car a lot. Chin spoilers on the front. It really drives good. Air grabber's functional. In fact, it's a little bit up there, but might just be sticking just a little bit. But like I say, car really hits the road good, and I can't believe it. A buddy of mine in North Carolina is when he found this car for me. I couldn't believe it when he said this paint was 30 years old. Now the car, there's a bunch of receipts for it. While the car was painted 30 years ago, I think in 2000. I think the engine and stuff, I think there's a receipt in there like 2001, 2002 is kind of when they went back through the motor. It's one of those cars that, the guys added to over the years. You can see it's got the rear wing spoiler. Go wing. I love the machine gun tips. Again, there's another little stone peck that's been touched up. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Again, there's a couple of little blemishes, pimples low on it. I just didn't mess with it because, man, I want people to see this car for what it is. Great car. 15-inch rally wheels, BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Car is really nice. Like I say, good solid body. Good set of rally wheels. Again, if you look real low, you're going to see a couple little spots like that. But again, it's stuff real low. You don't even see it until you, really crawl around the car. Nothing major. It does have front disc brakes. And the car is just so slick. Dual sport mirrors. Not original engine. It's got 69 block. 383. Edelbrock 4-barrel, stock intake, stock manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the factory air cleaner on it with a set of Mopar Performance valve covers. Does have HEI distributor in it. Electronic ignition. Mopar radiator with a shroud. 727 torqueflite trans. Again, the air grabber is functional. Your fender tag. Took a picture of it too. You can see your EV2 for your Hemi orange. Good looking car, man. Like I said, clean, straight. These B-body Mopars are getting so hard to get. I'd have this building full of Mopars if I could. I just can't find them. A little touch-up spot on a mirror. Door handles are nice. Factory black vinyl interior, remote driver's mirror. It's got new carpet in it, new sill plates. Bucket seats, console. $41,263. I do not assume that's original, guys. Factory dash with gauges, AM radio. I know the blower motor works. I don't think the radio does. It's got an aftermarket temp gauge under here. It's got an X-pipe dual exhaust system in it. Again, 8 3/4, 323 sure grip rear end. I think some of this is the original paint, guys. Car cover goes with it. You can see it's got the original insulation on the quarter panels there. It's all body color in here like it should be. Original owner's manuals, and like I say, it's got the a bunch of receipts for the restoration. This deck lid's giving me a little bit of time. It's got a little breeze blowing here. I just want it to slam down. It doesn't like to stay up. Car's clean underneath. I like it. And like I say, it hits the road good, drives out real good. Sorry. Still doesn't. It's kind of coming downhill, the wind's blowing. Yeah, good car, really good car. And again, painted 30 years ago, which is just unbelievable. Whoever painted this car just knew what they were doing. I like it, I dig it. Good, you fired up, Nathan? And door handles are nice. It's got the dual sport mirrors. I might have to shut it. I might have to shut it to seal it. Again, good running for 83. Now flip it. There it goes. Yeah. See if I can pin the. Well, is it not going up? See if I give it a head. There it goes. I know it comes up. There it goes. Typical Mopar, needs a little help. Speedo works. Gauges are working. Again, no AM radio, or the radio's not working. The blower motor does work. Make sure I got that shut, Nathan. Backup lights work. Good car, man. Really good car. Again, like you said, the no on the radio. The blower motor does work. I know the wipers work. I'll tell you, the fit on it is really nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post one of these videos. That is a great car, man. Sits good, got a good sound to it.